Hey guys, this is Eve Scrapbooking with me, and I have a couple of things that I want to show you today, but then I want to show you how we can start on our mini album that we were supposed to start on Friday, and I just didn't get to it, so we're going to start on that today. I'm going to show you measurements, that kind of thing, so you can have all of your paper cut by tomorrow when we get started. Now, this is a beautiful lighthouse that I got from a sweet, sweet friend. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's very big, as you can see. So I got that. She knows that I collect lighthouses, and I absolutely love them. This is her card. And it's from Miss Elsa. Miss Elsa, thank you so much. That is so sweet of you. She says, "Dearest Edith, you have taught me so much over the years. I want you to know how much I appreciate this and you. Thank you so much. I hope this fits into your collection." Of course it will. Any kind of lighthouse fits into my collection. But it also has, let me show you this. It also has a light on it. I think you can see that. See when I turn it on? There's a light on it. Isn't that cute? Oh, I can't wait. This did get disconnected during shipping, but my husband says he can fix that back. That's no problem. A lot of times that, when they ship, they just throw things around. But he says he can glue that back in. That's not a problem. But thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That was a sweet, sweet gift. And I am so thankful for people like you who watch our videos and who support us. So now I'm going to show you some measurements that you're going to need if you want to go ahead and cut these. We'll get started on the mini album tomorrow. I had some unexpected appointments that I had to go to today. Didn't expect to have them, but I had to spend a lot of time at a doctor's appointment this morning, so I didn't get everything filmed that I was going to, but I'm going to show you what you need if you want to start on this mini album with us. Now, this is going to be a vertical mini album. It's not going to be horizontal. It's going to be vertical. And those we haven't made before. This is going to, when we get finished, it's going to look like a little purse, but it's going to have mini album pages on the inside of it. So if you want to do this with us, then here's the paper that you need to cut. You need 2 pieces, and I'm just using white, but you need 2 pieces that are cut at 6 by 12. So if you've got a 12 by 12 sheet, slice it in the middle, and that will get that. Then you're going to need 2 pieces that are 7 inches by 12, because this is going to be a little bit different. Not made one like this before. So 2 that are 7 by 12. And then here are my chipboard pieces, and that's just my little prototype there. I'll lay that out of the way. You're going to need 2 pieces of chipboard, and I'm using the thin chipboard, so you can use cereal boxes for this, because this is just going to be on the inside to give it a little bit more sturdiness. So don't use a real thick chipboard. Just grab you some cereal boxes or something like that and cut them up. So this is our thin chipboard. If you want to get some of this, I always have the link in the description below. So these you're going to cut just shy of 6 by 7. So don't make them 6 by 7, but make them just a little bit shy of 6 by 7. And you're going to need 2 of those. And then you're going to need one that is just shy of 4 by 6. And one that is just shy of 2 by 6. And then one that you need to cut at just shy of 3 by 6. And this is going to be the little template. And I'll put this template tomorrow when I start making the mini album. I'll put this template over on the blog so that you can go over and print it off. This is going to be the little flap, so you can make your flap for your mini album like this if you want to. If you don't want to, you can make your square, or you can just round it off. But this is going to be our little flap, our little closure flap. So those are the pieces that you're going to need for the mini album. Now I'm going to be using, I'll show you the paper. I'm going to be using the Darcelli, I think this is how you pronounce this, collection. We've had it in stock for a little while now, and we've almost sold out of it, but I think there's probably 2 or 3 more of the 12 by 12. And then we have some flowers, have some bling, some little words. and more stickers, and then some chipboard stickers that go with it. So if you want to grab one of these, that link will be below as well, because this is what we're going to be making our little mini album out of. I'm going to show you these pages. They're so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. And then you can see the back. It's got the butterflies on it. You know I'm going to love it because it's got butterflies everywhere. Look at that. It's got a lot of these quotes that we can cut out and make some pockets for our mini album. I like that. And then that one. That's pretty. That's got typewriters on the back. This is the one that we're going to use for the front of our mini album, I think, if I don't change my mind between now and tomorrow. And then there's that one. And then here's more pages, things that we can cut out to make little pockets on our mini album. We're probably going to have maybe 4 pages, 8 pages altogether inside the mini album. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right. So that is the Darcelli collection, and then that is the measurements that you need to cut out if you want to start on this mini album with us tomorrow. Now let me tell you, I still had a little bit of trouble over the weekend with my download of the Cricut. Not that the Cricut is the problem. I think it's just my computers. It's giving me a little bit of a fit. So I am going to work on it a little bit more tonight probably, and then hopefully by tomorrow I'll be able to do the Cricut tutorial for you guys. It's not that big a deal. It's just that my computer is really full of all kinds of things, and so when I downloaded that, it just kind of pitched a little fit. It didn't like it so well, so we will work on that a little bit more tonight and then get the next Cricut tutorial up for you guys. And then tomorrow we will also have the Tuesday tips, tricks, and techniques video up too. All right, guys, we will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.